Hi there. Is your sofa looking a little tired and in need of a refresh? Don't worry, you don't need professional help to clean it up. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean your sofa at home using simple and affordable techniques. By the end of this video, your sofa will look and feel fresh and clean again. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Before you start cleaning, check your sofa's care tag. Most sofas have a tag with codes like W. Safe to clean with water. S. Use a solvent-based cleaner only. WS. Water or solvent-based cleaners work. X. Professional cleaning only. This step is crucial to avoid accidental damage. If you don't see a tag, start with spot testing. For leather sofas, look for care instructions specific to leather. If there's no tag, also do a spot test on a hidden area. We'll cover this in the next steps. Remove loose dirt and debris. Use a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment to suck up dust, crumbs, and pet hair. Don't skip the seams and crevices where dirt tends to hide. Pro tip: if you have stubborn pet hair, a lint roller or a slightly damp rubber glove can work wonders. For fabric sofas, spot testing. Fabric can be sensitive to certain cleaners. Before applying any cleaning solution, mix a small amount of dish soap with warm water. Dip a microfiber cloth into the solution and dab a hidden area. Wait 15 minutes to check for discoloration or damage. If there's no reaction, proceed confidently. Use baking soda for odors and stains. Baking soda is great for neutralizing odors and lifting stains. Here's how to use it. Sprinkle a generous layer over the sofa, focusing on problem areas. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Vacuum thoroughly to remove the baking soda. This trick works because baking soda absorbs smells and breaks down dirt particles, as highlighted by the American Cleaning Institute. Clean the sofa. Mix your cleaning solution. 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Spray the solution lightly onto a section of the sofa. Gently scrub with a microfiber cloth or stiff bristled brush. Wipe clean with another damp cloth to remove soapy residue. For persistent stains, repeat the process but don't oversaturate the fabric. Dry and fluff. Let the sofa air dry completely before use. Speed up the process with a fan or hairdryer on a cool setting. Once dry, fluff and reshape the cushions to restore their look. This step not only makes your sofa look better but also prolongs its lifespan. Important: avoid sitting on or using the sofa until it's completely dry to prevent mold and mildew. For leather sofas, spot testing for leather. Leather requires a gentle approach. Test your cleaner on an inconspicuous area. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water. Dab a microfiber cloth in the solution and rub a hidden spot. Wait 10 to 15 minutes to ensure there's no discoloration or damage. Clean the leather. Lightly spray your vinegar water solution onto a microfiber cloth, never directly onto the leather. Wipe the sofa in small, circular motions, working section by section. Handle stains. For tough stains, mix a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water. Dip a microfiber cloth, wring it out, and gently rub the stained area. Immediately wipe with a clean, damp cloth to remove soap residue. Dry and condition the leather. Dry the leather immediately with a clean microfiber cloth. Avoid using too much water in the first place. Apply a leather conditioner to restore moisture and prevent cracking. Put a small amount of conditioner on a clean cloth. Rub it into the leather in circular motions. Buff with a dry cloth to remove excess. Conditioning should be done every 6 to 12 months to keep your sofa looking new. Admire your clean sofa. It's now ready for relaxing, family gatherings, or binge watching your favorite shows. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more handy tips, share this video with your friends who could use some cleaning hacks, and leave a comment below if you found this guide helpful. I'd love to hear from you.